Hey guys, welcome to Troy Time. Today we're going to make a quick meal, again using some of our canned beef. This is London broil that we canned in October of 21, and this is July of 2023. It's still going to be great. We're going to throw it in this Mongolian beef mix. We're going to put it over rice for a super quick, super easy lunch today. So I hope you follow along. Let's do this. So there's our beef. We're going to just move it around and heat it up. This is only going to take about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, our beef is sizzling. Now we're just going to add our green onions. These green onions, I cut the bottoms off and just pinched it to release the inner core, because I don't like the outer shell of the bottom part. And then I just diced up the top with the green onions. So we'll throw those in. Okay, now it's time to add the sauce. Here's the sauce. For the sauce, we just added a 1/4 cup of soy sauce to the mix and 2 tablespoons of water and stirred. There we go. It's all mixed together. So in about 30 seconds, we've just made our little sauce here, and it's all cooked. We're good to go. You can heat this up a little more if you want the onions melted down, or you can pull it off and put it over rice right now. Guys, I snuck a bite off camera because I don't like eating on camera because I'm a savage. And this stuff is good. This stuff is really good. You're going to like it. It's so simple to do. Can this beef, man. Can the chicken. Get to canning. It makes meals so easy. Literally, I did this whole thing in about 5 minutes. If you make some rice at the beginning of the week, you just throw this over the top. 5 minutes, you're in business, baby. All right, so here it is, plated up. This you can make in less than 5 minutes. I just keep trying to tell everyone how great it is to have some canned food on hand. It makes weeknight dinners or any dinners, or this is a weekend lunch. Mongolian beef in 5 minutes, ready to go. You should be canning. You should be doing this. It's good stuff. Hey, get that NESCO canner. They're so cheap. You can do this so easy. Watch my videos. I'll show you how to do it. I just wanted to show you. I've talked before about having it over rice. I did the beef and gravy over toast. You could have just as easily done beef and gravy over rice, but I wanted to mix it up a little bit. I wanted to get a little Asian flair in there. And so hopefully you think this looks good. I know I do. It tastes amazing. It smells awesome. So do this up. We'll see you. This is Troy Time. I'm out.